Oh, my stomach! I didn't mean it.
Don't worry, sweetheart. Dad understands.
Daddy! Mommy, I didn't mean it!
Is there a cure for her, doctor? Hopeless case. First time offense, minor severity, therefore a warning is sufficient. Detain the defendant till the farting stops. Get in, you stinker!
Help me. Help me.
I move to banish her from the planet.
I approve.
Hurry up, you stinker!
Finally, she's gone back to her own planet.
What did I even do wrong?